Hello, this machine is our BK-I300 BGA rework station. I'd like to demonstrate desoldering of a BGA chip from the circuit board for TV. And at first, I used the nozzle for the chip 26 size, and by magnet system usually I can easily attach the nozzle, and the lower heater is infrared heaters. So for saving time, I used circuit board supporter, 6 pieces fixed appropriately, and I'll adjust. So from the front view, the chip should be at the center of the nozzle. Also from the side view, the chip should be the center of the nozzle. Also the upper portion of the chip from the lower portion of the nozzle, the distance is about 5 millimeter. So you adjust the knob to adjust the height of upper nozzle. I mean, this side to the top side of the chip, 5 millimeter. Okay, then for your better look, I will enlarge Okay, I will start. So now you hear the heating sound. Okay. The real-time graph will go up. As you can see, the first step target temperature is 80, second step target is 200, third step target is 250, and increase level is 1.5. As you can see, the red colored tube heating, that is infrared heater, has a penetrating feature, but compared to hot air, the response against the time to temperature is not so straight, not so instant. So you have to use basically hot air for the upper heater, and for the lower heater we adopted with this economical model. I know you will feel bored, so I will save this by wind this movie to the later. Now the temperature is increased to the target temperature of 240. And my setting maintenance time is about 75 seconds, but I will make the main shaft go up before when the remaining time is about 20. I will do vacuum. I will try. Also, you can try some anti-ESD tweezer, or if the chip size is bigger, you can use big tweezers. As you see, the pad of the circuit board is short. When I use the suction pencil, when I push it onto the chip, the solder ball is pushed and it happened the shortage. So at this time you must clean up the pad of the circuit board with solder wick and soldering iron and solder wick. You have to clean up the pad, and then whether you use the new BGA chip, or you have to rebore the chip. For more information, you can freely contact us. Thank you.